Cold.
Nah, it's not that bad. Yeah. It's cold, but it's not like terrible.
Oh, dude, look at that room.
I mean, it probably gets colder.
Come on, puppies. Oh, it is cold.
It's not. It's not freezing, dude.
I know, but it's cold.
It gets colder over there.
It feels weird. Oh, it's cold.
Really? I put that thing away.
Oh, I'm taking a video of us.
Yeah, DJ.
You just did that on video for the whole world to see.
Wait.
This is North Carolina, and I'm DJ.
What is wrong with this? Look.
Puppies, come
You see that?
on. You
That's
guys
the
don't know how cold this
light.
is. You think I can get one of those? Yeah, you do it. He's like, it's cold, though.
Grizzly's the cool dog.
Come on, Gizmo.
Look at Pixie. Oh, look at Pixie. Her.
She's like, I can be brave.
Where's Grizzly?
Grizzly's. Gizmo. Gizmo's like, I'm not going in there. Crystal, come on. Gizmo thinks he's like.
Hi, Grizzly. Gizmo. The puppies at the swimming hole. Oh, it's cold. Good girl. Oh,
Look at Pixie.
that's the first time I've ever seen her swim.
Come here, Pixie.
Look at her go.
Oh, she could get out the rock. She could stand up.
Keep her under there. Let her swim.
I'm trying to make it so she can swim, but not.
She's not going to stop paddling.
She'll go back.
Come here.
Come here, Grizzly. Oh!
Good boy. That's awesome.
So freaking scary.
Pixie, come here.
Come on, Gizmo. You're the only sucker that's not in here.
Gizmo.
I feel like that's the rock. I'm about to go check it. Should I go jump to the rock and figure out, dude? I wouldn't jump. It's really cold.
Hi,
though.
Grizzly. Come here.
Come here, Gizmo. Come on, Gizmo. Yeah, they can just go back and forth as they please.
Oh, Gizmo was about to jump.
Come here, Gizmo. Gizmo.
Dude, what are you doing?
Gizmo. Ooh, that cool.
Oh! Oh! I'm almost slipping.
Oh, cold. Oh, cold. Oh. I feel like it's freezing.
That's difficult. Curse is jumping through there. Yeah, because I don't care about
Oh,
being
yeah,
cold.
I made it. You jumped.
Gosh. I made it first. You do the jump.
It's slippery. Very slippery. Okay, I got it.
It's under water. That's how that rock's going to be when we go visit that thing.
Okay,
Come on, puppies.
I'm going to that rock. Right there.
Go around to the beach.
Come on, puppies.
Come on.
Come on, puppies.
It took her long enough.
Come on, puppies.
Come on, Gizmo.
Dad, I'm slipping.
Come on, Gizmo.
Come on,
Oh, that's a high spot right there. Come here, Gizmo.
Come on, Pixie.
What do you mean it's a high school?
Oh,
Grizzly had to jump in. Oh, Gizmo's doing it.
Oh,
come on, puppies.
Gizmo! You can do it, Gizmo!
Good girl.
Oh,
Oh,
Gizmo!
Gizmo wimped out.
Good girl, Pixie.
Grizzly!
Grizzly! No!
Grizzly.
He was more than halfway here and then he puked out.
Oh, look at
He's
that.
like, I'm done. On top. You see him splashing around, dude?
Oh, he got in and then went out. Pixie's the only brave one.
Did you see Gizmo? You ready to go in the water?
Come on, Grizzly!
Come on, Grizzly!
Look at all these bugs swimming around on top of the water. Get out of here. Swim away.
Pixie's the only one. Pixie, you're such a good swimmer.
Come here, Gizmo.
Who needs to practice swimming?
Come on.
Does need practice, boy.
Can you?
I don't know.
Not from that side, definitely not.
I'm trying not to slip.
From the back, maybe. From the side.
Let's not climb up slippery rocks.
Grizzly's tail sounds like.
Come here, Pixie. Come here, baby. Come here. Pixie, come here. Come on.
I need to
Oh, good girl. Aww.
That's a good boy. Come on. Is it cold? I need to stick my
He wants to be over here because Pixie's over here.
Come on. You don't know how to get here.
But it's very hard. You can if you get up on the shore over there. Not deep enough to jump in though. No, it doesn't.
Hi, baby. Hi.
There, no way.
The one scaredy cat is actually in the water.
Why?
Ah.
Check if you can open up your eyes underwater.
He wants to go to the dive and jump. Come on, buddy.
Come on, Gizmo.
Look at him go.
Good boy.
It's watching. He saw Pixie on my lap. He's like, I can do that. Come on, Gizmo. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
He's breathing.
Oh.
He looks so sad.
Those big old eyes. Come here, buddy.
He made it the farthest. He's been
Good job.
Booyah, Gizmo.
Oh, good boy.
Grizzly, come here.
Good boy, buddy. Good boys. Oh, yeah.
Come here, boy.